Dear reader, question 7, page 312. Naresh and Shevil are the partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of 2:3, 2/5 and 3/5. Now on 39/16 they have decided to dissolve the firm. On this date, their capital was 6 lakhs and 4 lakhs. Where should we write capital in balance sheet? So write on liability side capitals. Naresh 6 lakhs. What is that nonsense in between? Shevil 4 lakhs. So total 10 lakhs. Did you understand this? Then total liabilities of the firm are 6 lakhs. So liability side you will write it liabilities 6 lakhs. Understood this? Then the balance of accumulated debit balance of P&L account is 1 lakh. Where would you write debit balance? Asset side profit and loss account 1 lakh. And cash balance 1 lakh also asset side. Okay. Now 50% are realized from assets of the firm. Understand this will include in entry 6. 50% is realized from the assets of the firm. So 6th entry, sale of assets. Dissolution expense 1 lakh you will include in entry 8. Dissolution expense paid by the firm. Now prepare necessary accounts to close the books. Now, can we get balancing figure of sundry assets? Total of liabilities side is how much? 16 lakhs. And 16 lakhs minus 2 lakhs, 14 lakhs is remaining assets. We'll call them as sundry assets. In bracket balancing figure. For this purpose only we have made the balance sheet. Because it is given that assets are realized at 50%, but what is the value of assets is not given. So we have made balance sheet to find the value of those assets. Did you understand this? Now, accounting will be your homework. How will you be doing it is? Capitals will not be closed. Liabilities will be transferred to realization account. Sundry assets. Cash will not be closed and profit and loss will be transferred to partners' capital. So first entry you'll have closing of assets, second reserves against assets we don't have, third closing of liabilities, fourth reserves we don't have, fifth fictitious assets. Then sixth sale of assets it is given and I made you mark it as 6th entry. 50% is realized for the assets of the firm. So 14 lakhs, 50%, 7 lakhs, cash to realization. 7 asset taken over by partner we don't have. 8 expense paid by the firm. I made you outline 8th entry. How much is expense paid by the firm? 1 lakh. 9th remuneration paid to the partner we don't have. Now 10th liabilities paid by the firm. Is any information given about liabilities in the question? I made you write the note. If no information is given, assume it is paid at book value. So in the question liabilities are given 6 lakhs. Mark it as 10th entry in the question. Okay, this is a part of your solution. No markings here. So in the question liabilities are there 6 lakhs, that will be coming in your 10th entry. Payment will assume we have paid full amount of 6 lakhs. Realization to cash. 11th liabilities taken over by partner we do that. Did you understand this? So that ledger accounts will be your homework and illustration 2 is your homework. Remaining long questions are not to be practiced. They may be